Hello, today is 28th July and we celebrate World Nature Conservation Day, a day of preserving our planet's natural resources. Museums like the Lahore Museum play a vital role in promoting a deeper appreciation for conservation.
Celebrating World Nature Conservation Day at the museum by curating special exhibits, hosting workshops, or by organizing community activities such as cleanup initiatives, tree planting, or environmental art competitions. By connecting museums to nature conservation, we can promote a deeper appreciation for the natural world and inspire action to protect our planet's precious resources.